Hello guys, welcome to Rise Up YouTube channel. I hope you are doing good and your exams are nearing the first test. Obviously the first chapter sets will be in your exam. So we have solved all the questions from this chapter. I'll give that links in the description, you can go and watch it. Okay, without delaying we'll start the first question. But you don't delay to subscribe our channel because it is the only motivating factor for us. Please do it. The first question, let U universal set, U means universal set, and set A, set B, set C, 3 sets plus 1 universal set is given. What is the question? We should find out the complement of set A. Complement of set A. Before solving the question, for those who don't know the meaning of complement of a set, I'll explain them with a small example. If you know means you can skip 20 seconds from here. Okay, the example is, let us consider a universal set and the elements of universal set are 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and a set A, we'll name it as A, and the elements of set A are 1 and 2. Now the question is to find out the complement of set A. How you will do? You should subtract the set A from the universal set. Write down the elements of universal set first. 1, 2, 3, 4 minus the elements of set A 1, 2. Now it is easy. If you write down the elements, it will be easy for you to cancel and it will avoid your silly mistakes. 1 and 2 is present, cancel out this 1 and 2. What are the remaining elements? 3 and 4. Write it as it is. 3, 4. This is your answer. Answer for what? For the complement of set A. I hope now you have understood the meaning of complement of a particular set. We'll move to the main question. The first question. Okay, the first sub question is to find out the complement of set A. How we will do? The same case, universal set minus set A. Write down the elements of universal set and the elements of set A. Why you have to write down? It will avoid your silly mistake. If you miss out any one element also, the whole sum will become wrong. Everyone in your class know to solve, but only little guys will get out in examination. How? They will avoid these kind of silly mistake. So you don't do these silly mistakes. If you write down the elements, it will be easy for you to cancel out. 1, 2, 3, 4. Cancel this out. 1, 2, 3 and 4. What are the elements remaining? 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Write it as it is. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is your answer for complement of set A. First question is over. Second sub question, complement of set B. Universal set minus set B. Write down the elements. After writing, cancel out the elements. 2, 4, 6 and 8. What are the elements remaining? Write it as it is. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. This is your answer for complement of set B. Third sub question, A union C whole complement. First you should solve A union C. Write down the elements of set A and set C. Now do the union. How we will write the union of these two sets? Combine, write all the elements of both the sets. The set A and the set B elements should be written. That is your answer for union. Write it. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 3, 4 is written. What are the elements remaining? 5 and 6. Write it as it is. Now the union part is over. Which union? A union C is over. Now we will do the complement of this thing. How we will do? Subtract universal set minus the set which you have got from the union of A and C. Write down the elements of universal set. These are the elements of universal set and these are the elements which you have obtained from the union of set A and set C. Now cancel out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What are the elements remaining? 7, 8, 9. Write it as it is. That's all. Answer is over. A union C whole complement is done. Fourth sub question, A union B whole complement. It is a similar kind of question as the third one. First, solve A union B. Write down the elements of set A and set B. These are the elements of set A, these are the elements of set B. Now, do the union part first. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 and 4 is already written. What are the elements remaining? 6 and 8. Write it. Now the union part is over. Do the complement. How will do? Universal set minus the elements of the union what you have obtained here. These are the elements of universal set and these are the elements of what you have obtained here by union of set A and set B. Now cancel out 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 8. What are the elements remaining? 5, 7, 9. That is your answer. Answer for A union B whole complement. 5, 7, 9. We'll move to the fifth sub question. What is the question? A complement whole complement. You guys know with the simple knowledge you can say the complement thing will get cancelled off. So the answer is A itself. So write down the elements of set A. 1, 2, 3 and 4. We'll move to the sixth sub question. Set B minus C whole complement. Write down the elements of set B and set C. Now this minus means the elements, it should be present in B but not in C. What are the elements? Here you can see 4 and 6 is present here in the set C, but 2 and 8 is present in set B but not in set C. So write it. 2, 8 is your answer for what? B minus C. Now you have got the answer for B minus C. The complement of this is universal set minus 2, 8. Write down the elements of universal set. Minus 2, 8. These are the elements of universal set. This is which you have obtained here. Now cancel out 2, 8. 2 and 8 is cancelled. What are the elements remaining? 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 9. That is your answer for B minus C whole complement.